Hi everyone, this is Felicia here with Homebody. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I created my glam tray. If you have not already hit that subscribe button, why don't you go ahead and do that now and be sure to hit that notification bell so that you won't miss any of my videos. So let's get started. Okay everyone, so this tray actually came from Ross. It was $8.99. I'll show you guys the price later on in the video. I fell in love with this tray when I saw it because I knew that I can glam it up and fix it up the way I wanted it to my liking to match the decor scheme in my home. Now I've been watching a tray just like this, similar to this, not just like this, but similar to this at Zgallerie for way more expensive price, but this is way less of a price and I get that same look, same feel of the more expensive tray. Now I spray painted the tray and then I added the bling wrap. My bling wrap came from Hobby Lobby, but you can use any type of bling wrap or peel and stick, or you can hot glue, use some decor around the edges of your tray and decorate it according to your liking. But I spray painted it gray, and once I spray painted, I added my bling wrap. Now I do apologize because I lost the footage of my bling wrap, but you guys can get the picture of how I put the bling wrap just around the edges of my tray. And here's my final outcome. I think this is beautiful, you guys. Now I can add some more, some little gems around the legs, but I thought to stop right here because it's super cute, so elegant, and I just love it. I can use it in my living room. I can use it in my my guest bedroom, my master bedroom, or even in my family room. I did purchase 2 of these trays and I love it. So this was a pretty fun project. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and you are inspired to run out to Ross and grab you a tray and create your own masterpiece. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.